Ever felt that sinking feeling? You're ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, you've researched different coins, and you're itching to take the plunge. But then a question pops up: where exactly do you keep your hard-earned crypto? This is where crypto wallets come in. They're the digital equivalent of your physical wallet, storing your crypto securely and giving you easy access when you need it. But with so many exchanges and wallet options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. So, the question we're tackling today is, does Kraken have a wallet? For those unfamiliar, Kraken is a leading cryptocurrency exchange, boasting a massive user base and a wide range of features. It's a popular choice for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. But does it offer its own wallet solution, or do you need to look elsewhere? The answer is yes. Kraken absolutely has a built-in wallet. In fact, when you create a Kraken account, you automatically get access to a secure wallet for all the cryptocurrencies supported by the exchange. This makes things incredibly convenient. You can buy, sell, trade, and store your crypto all within the same platform. Now, let's delve a little deeper and explore the features and functionalities of the Kraken wallet. Security first. Security is paramount when it comes to crypto. After all, you're trusting a platform with your valuable digital assets. Kraken takes security very seriously. Their wallet utilizes industry-leading security practices, including multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step, like a code from your phone, when logging in or making transactions. GDR, Global Distributed Ledger Technology. Kraken utilizes geographically distributed servers to store user data and private keys. This makes it incredibly difficult for hackers to gain access to your funds. Secure login protocols. Kraken employs strong encryption and secured login protocols to safeguard your account. Beyond the basics. While security is a top priority, the Kraken wallet offers more than just peace of mind. Here are some additional features to consider. Staking. Certain cryptocurrencies allow you to earn rewards by holding them. Kraken's wallet lets you stake your supported coins directly, generating passive income. Margin trading. For experienced users, this allows you to borrow funds from the exchange to amplify your potential returns. However, it also comes with increased risk, so make sure you understand the mechanics before diving in. Order types. Kraken's wallet integrates seamlessly with its trading platform, allowing you to set various order types for buying and selling crypto. Multiple funding options. You can easily deposit and withdraw funds using various methods, including fiat currencies and bank transfers. Is the Kraken wallet right for you? The Kraken wallet is a strong contender for anyone looking for a secure and convenient way to store their crypto. Its integration with the exchange platform makes it a breeze to manage your crypto portfolio, and the additional features like staking add further value. However, it's important to consider your individual needs. Here are some factors to think about. Experience level. If you're a complete beginner, Kraken's wallet is a great option. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate. Investment goals. For those seeking advanced features like margin trading, Kraken offers them within the wallet. However, if your focus is solely on long-term holding, a dedicated hardware wallet might be a better choice for ultimate security. Security preferences. While Kraken's security measures are robust, some users prefer the extra layer of control offered by hardware wallets where private keys are stored offline. The final word. Kraken's built-in wallet offers a secure and convenient solution for storing and managing your cryptocurrency. Its integration with the exchange platform streamlines your crypto journey. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.